Hey guys, Yakov Cosby over at Revelator, and I'm going to be doing a quick demo for you today of our new artist wallet. The wallet's a great new technology that allows you to receive your royalty payments directly in a blockchain-based wallet. We'll start out in the Revelator UI, and I'm on the assets page. I'm going to start by searching for a specific asset. It's called Do You Know? I have it right here. And when I open up the asset details, I can see here a new button, Register on Original Works. And the Register on Original Works button is going to allow me to put this asset onto the blockchain and start to receive all my royalties there. You'll see you get two options, ownership and collection, or ownership only. I'm going to choose ownership and collection. That means that not only do I want to register that I own this asset on the blockchain, but I actually want to receive, or I want to collect all of my royalties from there. And that will open up a QR code for me to scan. So I'll open up Original Works on my iPhone. I'll click the Add button. I'll choose Scan and Register an Asset. And I'm going to choose Register here. I'll go ahead and use the camera to scan the QR code. As soon as the scanning is complete, the phone vibrates to tell me it's done, and it opens up a confirmation window. I'll go ahead and verify some information here. And now I need to actually make the payment to the blockchain. So here it will tell me the fee is $4.71. Enter a PIN code. And it shows up as pending. You'll see that it shows up both on the iPhone, and it automatically shows the same status within Revelator as pending. We're going to see on the iPhone first, it's going to switch from pending to registered. We see the notification here that the asset's been registered. And in a moment, we'll show the agreement is approved as well. The reason it takes longer within Revelator is that in the background, we're actually going through all the historical records. We're seeing how much money hasn't yet been paid on all of your payments from the different stores. And as soon as that's completed, it will change from saying your asset is pending to showing me that it's registered for collection and ownership. I can click out of this in the meantime. I can do anything else I want in Revelator or work on something else. When I come back, I'll see it's still labeled as pending. And I can always reopen that window. It's just going to say pending in the meantime. And there we go. I can see that it's switched to registered. And I'll see the same change here, that it's registered with ownership and collection. So what I want to do now is to trigger a payout. And I can do that by going to Royalties Smart Contracts. And I want to click on the Pay with Original Works button, which will show me a list of what assets I'm currently owed money on. I can see that I'm owed $4.39 on the Do You Know asset. So I'll go ahead and check that box. And I'll click on Pay. And I can add a note here if I want to. I'll add here Own Demo. And I'm going to click the Pay button. As soon as I click Pay, this is actually going to trigger a transaction on the blockchain. And we'll see it's going to show up in a minute in my wallet on the phone. So here we see payment performed successfully within the Revelator UI. The status here is going to show as pending. We just have to wait for a minute for it to show up. Right now, the transaction is being added on the blockchain. This can take a few minutes. And there we go, it showed up on the phone. I've received $4.28. If I go over to the actual wallet, I'll see that that's reflected in my balance. Right, there we go, we just got the update. And that small difference is the 2% network fee I was charged. You can always see the details of that by going to Activity. If I click on it, I can see here we have the $4.28 and then that 9 cents, which is the 2% network fee. If I keep scrolling down in the app, I can actually see a breakdown of all the different streams that were used to calculate that $4.28 that I earned. So here I see ad-supported streams that came from Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. See what was actually downloaded through IndiePool. See other royalties I received from Pandora or Amazon, and even some subscriptions I got part of. It's all broken down nicely for you in the app so you can see all the data and understand how you're making money, where it's coming from on every single payment. And we can see in the online UI that the status now is switched from pending to paid, and the amount due has gone from $4.39 to 0. And my total paid shows that $4.39 I just did the payout on. Hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and I hope you enjoy using our new wallet.